Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Moto G Stylus 2025 smartphone with us. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. It is the exact same smartphone that is launched in India as Motorola Edge 60 Stylus. The only difference is in terms of the processor. Everything else is exactly same. So if you are watching this video from India, then you can consider it as Moto Edge 60 Stylus. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the Motorola branding, the Moto G Stylus branding. As you can see, it comes with this nice rainbow effect, and this is the latest 2025 version of Moto G Stylus. Here we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is Pantone Surf the Wave. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Moto G Stylus 2025. So here we got a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a quick start guide, and here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Moto G Stylus 2025, the smartphone, quick start guide, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and the SIM card tray ejector pin. As you can see, there is no case or charger provided in the retail box of Moto G Stylus 2025. So here is our Moto G Stylus 2025 in Surf the Wave color. As you can see, it is a very flashy variant of blue color, really eye-catching. So let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Moto G Stylus 2025 here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Moto G Stylus 2025. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So talking about the design and build quality, on the front side we got this huge display with minimal bezel. The screen to body ratio is really impressive, especially the side bezels are extremely thin. The same goes with the bottom bezel as well as the top bezel, giving a very premium look to this smartphone. In the top center of the display we got this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. Right above it there is a slit where earpiece is placed that also works as the secondary speaker. At the bottom we got 3.5mm jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, speaker grill and the stylus. On the left side we got the SIM card tray slot where you will find a nano SIM card slot as well as a dedicated micro SD card slot. So this is really nice that Motorola is providing a dedicated micro SD card slot as well as a 3.5mm jack on Moto G Stylus 2025. On the right side we got the power button, volume keys, once again a microphone, and on the back we got this eco vegan leather that looks quite beautiful and feels so premium while touching it. The back panel is quite minimalistic. It comes with this Motorola branding and this camera island that is totally merged with the back panel. As you can see, we got 4 rings here. One of them is the primary camera, another one is ultra wide angle lens, and the third ring got a 3-in-1 light sensor that gives the fake impression of a third camera. And then we got the LED flash here. The back and the frame is made of plastic, but on the screen we got the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and the device comes with IP68 water and dust resistance that is quite rare in this price segment. Another impressive thing about the build quality of Moto G Stylus 2025 is that it comes with military standard 810 compliance for durability and to use the device in extreme condition. Once again, a very rare feature among the smartphones in this price segment. We got this Pantone certified color that looks quite beautiful, eye-catching, very premium and gives the impression of a smartphone way above its price tag. So when it comes to design and build quality, the Moto G Stylus 2025 is a very premium looking smartphone and way above its price segment in nearly every aspect. Talking about the display, we got a 6.7-inch POLED display with 1220x2712 pixels resolution. So the PPI you will get is 440, that is once again quite impressive, and we got 10-bit 1 billion color reproduction on this display of Moto G Stylus 2025. It is also HDR supported, and because of all of these, the display of Moto G Stylus 2025 is quite impressive. It is very sharp, colors are vibrant, the viewing angles are great, and it looks beautiful from every angle. So you will enjoy watching all kinds of content on the screen of Moto G Stylus 2025 for sure. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 3000 nits on this device, so you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And it comes with 120Hz refresh rate display, and you can select between the static 60Hz, 120Hz or auto to let the phone decide what is the best refresh rate based on the activity you are doing. As you can see, the touch screen sensitivity is quite nice, and at 120Hz it feels super smooth. Now talking about the hardware, the Moto G Stylus 2025 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, and if you're talking about the Indian version of this smartphone, that is Moto Edge 60 Stylus, then it comes with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. That is the only difference between the Moto G Stylus and the Moto Edge 60 Stylus smartphone. As you can see, it comes with NFC. We got the dual SIM feature, but the second SIM is the eSIM because we got only one physical SIM slot on Moto G Stylus 2025. It comes with 256 GB storage, out of which 17 GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM and applications. And if you find it that this much storage is not sufficient for you, then of course you can use a memory card to expand the storage of your device. It comes with 8 GB RAM along with RAM boost feature, using which you can expand it up to 16 GB more, so you can virtually get 24 GB RAM on Moto G Stylus 2025 for better productivity and multitasking. We got an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery with 65 watt fast charging and 15 watt wireless charging. So once again, this is really impressive that Motorola is providing wireless charging capability of a smartphone in this price segment. The only drawback here is that it does not come with a charger in the retail box, and you will have to buy one separately. Now talking about the software, it comes with Android 15 with Motorola's Hello UX that is very much close to the stock Android. So as you can see on the home screen, we got plenty of Google applications. We got some of the Motorola applications in this Moto folder, where you will find the Moto app, Moto Secure app, games, family space, Moto Unplugged, Smart Connect that allows you to connect your smartphone with a screen or TV for better productivity and multimedia experience. And then we got the Moto Note that is going to be a very helpful application with the help of the stylus. Here once again you can see we got just few of the applications. The only third-party application I can see here is the Facebook. Otherwise everything else is stock. In the settings you can see we got a dedicated section for a stylus that allows you to do various activity for better productivity. In gestures you can see we got plenty of options that you can use to improve your user experience and productivity on Moto G Stylus 2025. We also got plenty of options that you can use to customize your user experience on Moto G Stylus 2025. We will have a look on all of these in our later videos. Right now just wanted to give you a quick glance about the features and options and settings, the UI we got here on Moto G Stylus 2025. Now talking about the stylus, it is among the few smartphones currently available in the market that comes with a dedicated stylus. So once you take out the stylus, you can see a window popped up with plenty of options like the Moto Note, screenshot, freeform crops, sketch to image, handwriting calculator. If you tap on settings, then you can add few of the applications once again in this list of apps, and if you want you can remove them as well, so that's quite nice for sure. So in the Moto Note, of course, you can write a note, you can take a screenshot. As you can see here, if you want you can go to a sketch to image, but for that you will have to log in into your Moto account, so I'm just gonna skip that part. But just to let you know, if you draw any sketch, then with the help of the AI, this application will convert it into an image. We also got the freeform crop that allows you to crop a part of the screen, as you can see here. And then you can of course go to the Moto Note and then you can write some stuff. You can create some stuff over there, or you can just go to the regular writer note where you got plenty of options. So I'm not gonna use all of these because I will have to connect it to the Wi-Fi. I will have to log into my Motorola account. So I'm not going to do all of this stuff here. Just wanted to give you a quick idea that the Moto G Stylus comes with plenty of features and options that you can use with your stylus here to improve your productivity and user experience. And once again, that's quite impressive because, as I said, there are very few smartphones currently available in the market that come with a stylus, especially in this price segment. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera that can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps and full HD resolution videos up to 60 fps. On the back we got 50 megapixel primary camera that comes with optical image stabilization, quad directional, face detection, autofocus. It can record 4K resolution video up to 30 fps and full HD video up to 120 fps. And then we got a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with face detection, autofocus. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens provided. Instead of that, we got a 3-in-1 light sensor. So if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode. We got a dedicated micro mode as well. We got the 2x zoom, but it is totally digital. And then here you can see that we got the option for image preference, whether to go with the natural or auto enhancement. We got the flash, Google Lens. If you go to video, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps. If I'm going to 60 fps, it's switching to full HD. You can select the aspect ratio, you can select the microphone sound or you want it or not. It's totally up to you. We got the slow motion video recording where you can record full HD video up to 120 fps and HD video up to 240 fps. Then what we got here is the portrait mode that allows you to take portrait images with nice bokeh. In the pro mode, you got the options for manual controls, and if we go to more, here we got the option for night vision, panorama, ultra resolution imaging, photo booth, tilt shift, time lapse, and dual capture video. So as you can see, we got plenty of options here in the camera application of Moto G Stylus. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos. Right now, just wanted to give you a quick brief and idea regarding the hardware and what are the features we got here. So overall, the Moto G Stylus 2025 is looking a pretty solid smartphone in nearly every aspect, especially considering its price segment, as it comes with great build quality, very thin bezels, gorgeous beautiful screen, a 3.5mm jack, dedicated micro SD card slot, a stylus with plenty of features, Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the display, IP68 water and dust resistance, military standard 810H durability, a very eye-catching flashy Pantone color, and a capable looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Moto G Stylus 2025 like the benchmarking test score results, gaming test, comparison with other smartphones, detailed review, camera review, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.